Cebu Elegant Properties YouTube channel. My name is Christine and I'll be the one to tour you around this beautiful, modern, minimalist house here in the hills of Talamban, Cebu City. Before that, please do us a favor. Like, subscribe, hit the bell button, and share it to your friends and family who are looking for simple abode here in the Queen City of the South. So guys, right now we are here in this 300 square meter house and lot located in the hills of Talamban, Cebu City. And this property is pretty close to Ayala, Cebu International Schools, and Bright Academy if you wish to send your schools over there. So this can be yours for only 25 million pesos only. So guys, right to the main entrance, we have here on my left the front yard, and then here this is the main entrance going to the main door, and here this is the basement area where you can park at least 6 cars. So join me here. This open area can fit at least 3 cars, and there is a closed area which is being covered by this car, just like this. It's a covered car park which can fit at least 2 more cars, but this can fit 1 car. So that stairs over there leads to the amenity area, because we have here a 5-foot deep pool. Later I'm going to show it to you. So on this side, this is the covered carport which can fit at least 2 cars. And this room here can be convertible into an office area. While this door, which is closed at the moment, is where the maid's quarter. So here, on this side, we have the service area where you can do the laundry and all the other stuff that you want to do. So it's quite spacious, and this divider, which means to say that this can also be convertible to another room. So now, let's go. Now I'm going to show you that this basement here has a stairway which leads up to the main entrance. But let's not use the stairs, but we will use the front door. So now let's proceed to the main entrance, or the main door. So here, this is the foyer, and after the foyer we have here the 12-seater dining table. By the way, this is a fully furnished house, and everything that you can see is already included in the sale. So we have an open concept dining area down to the living, to the pool, everything. It's an open concept ground floor. So this is the dining, 12-seater dining table, and we have here on my left the modern kitchen design with this one, with a fridge. Everything is brand new, and then we have here the cooktop with a range hood, and then we have here a built-in oven. And also, actually guys, tanan na gid nga inyong gipangita na gid dire, because we also have here microwave oven. Oh, it's on. Okay, so as you can see, it's working, and we have the cabinets here. Everything that you want to have in the kitchen is all here. Oh, by the way, I saw something. So this is for the dishwashing. So sa kanang mga maglisod or kapuyan maghugas, you can use that dishwashing machine. Okay, so here in the ground floor we have the powder room. This one, you can go there. And then we have here the living area, which goes straight to the amenity area where the pool is. So here on the left side, we have here another room which can be converted into a guest room or a small office. So it already has a window type air conditioner. So going to the amenity area, as I've said earlier, that this is a 5 feet deep pool where it's very nice here to spend party with your friends and family, diba? With a view over there, actually, this is really rewarding. This is just one of the few houses here in Cebu, which is a very beautiful view of the city and also the ocean over there. Once we go up to the roof deck, we can see the whole 360-degree view of Cebu City. So as you can see here, we have these stairs which is going to the basement, where the 3 bedrooms are. And on this stairway, we have here the going to the bedroom area. So we are now in the bedroom area. So we got here 3 bedrooms and 2 toilet and bathrooms. So let's check first bedroom number 1. So this is bedroom number 1, and it can fit at least a queen size bed. And it already has a built-in closet here. It has a mirror. So this is for the panties, other things. And it has a shared toilet and bathroom with bedroom number 2. If somebody's using the bathroom, you can just close either of the doors. So we have here a bathtub. It's already enclosed. The shower area is already enclosed with glass enclosure. So is it nice, diba? Sa mga anak, mag-kuhan sila diri, magligo-ligo after having a day in the pool. So this is bedroom number 2. It's quite bigger than bedroom number 1. And we have here wide windows, which this is actually wide windows which can allow natural light to go inside the house. We can open that, but I don't know how. We can open it for the air to come inside this property. So same with bedroom number 1, we have here the closet also. Same closet with bedroom number 1. Now, let's go to the most awaited part of the house. And this is the master's bedroom. The master bedroom already has a queen size bed. But actually this can fit a king size one. Okay, so the master bedroom is all glass. This is like covered with glass. So we have here the glass windows here, and this one, the sliding door, which then leads to, which then leads to the garage, which then leads to the balcony area. So it's very airy here. So this is like a sunny wrapped around balcony. So diba, nice kayo here nga magmuni-muni every morning and every night. So there's more to see in this house. We have already seen the basement, the ground floor, and this one, the second floor. Now let's go to the third floor, or what we call the roof deck. By the way, guys, I forgot to tell you that the master bedroom has an ensuite toilet and bath. So you already saw bedrooms 1 and 2 that they had a shared toilet and bathroom with a bathtub, right? So in this area, and in the master bedroom, we have a jacuzzi type bathtub. It's very huge and cozy. This has never been used. This one. So it's for his and hers. So, diba? Social. And then this one, the shower area. The shower area is already enclosed with a glass. And we have here the toilet. And we have here a built-in closet for the master bedroom. And also a his and hers sink. What makes this whole floor well lit and ventilated is the skylight. This is the most featured one in this house. Okay, now let's head to the third floor. the roof deck. And you know what, for the gym lovers, you can actually convert half of the roof deck area into a gym. So imagine mag-exercise mo dire every morning or the afternoon, you can have that view over there. There's a mountain view. And so this roof deck has 360-degree view. So the mountain over there, and on this side we got here the Mactan view where the ocean is. And on that side we got there the city view. So actually guys, sa camera, we cannot really appreciate the view behind me. It's because mawawash out na po yung view. Pero i-insert na lang namin yung pictures that I took. So guys, this is really very nice if you want to hold parties, events, or whatnot here in this roof deck. So guys, once again, this house has a land area of 300 square meters, a floor area of approximately 700 square meters. This is a 3-level house with a roof deck. And the basement there, the carport can fit at least 6 cars. We have there an office, maid's quarter, and a guest room. And on the ground floor, we got there the open concept living area, and we have another room which is convertible to a guest room or whatever you want to do. Then on the second floor, we have there 3 bedrooms and 2 toilet and bath. And here we got the roof deck. Should you wish to book a site tour with us, please do not hesitate to call us at 0917-7999-429, or you may email us at cebuelegantproperties@gmail.com. So guys, please do share, like, subscribe, and hit the bell button to get more notifications from us. So bye bye and God bless.